Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait, before you hop off because you think it looks really amateurish, let me explain. Those of you who don't know me, which is probably most of you, need to understand that my normal job is helping self-employed women or women who want to be self-employed, usually over about the age of 40, who actually want to start working towards their big life goals. Okay, people who've got to the point where they think, God, I've got to start working on this if I'm ever going to achieve what I really want to achieve. So I help those, mainly women, few lucky men. I help them start to work towards those big life goals by creating a unique, lucrative business that they are 100% in love with, that's going to fulfill those financial goals, that's going to actually make enough money for them to achieve the things they want to achieve in life. That's what I do normally. I have been in business myself for over 15 years. Before doing what I do now, I was an accountant and I had an accountancy practice. And honestly, it's only really in the last 3.5 years that I have managed to build the business that I really wanted to build and earn the money that I really wanted to earn when I first started out working for myself. So that's a long time to be in business. Okay, 15 years is a long time to be in business to not actually start doing what I really wanted to do for the first 12. So I totally understand how it is when you're trying to get your business going, what it's like to, get started on your own. And that's what I do. I help women to do that. Now, I have built my business to over 6 figures turnover, so sales of over 6 figures, without doing any of this, okay, without really doing any YouTube stuff, very much on social media and blogging and all those kind of things that everybody on YouTube is telling you to do. And actually, I teach my clients to do the same, to actually get to 6 figures without having to do all that. However, now I'm at the point in my own business where I really need to create some momentum. I don't want to slip back now. I want to keep growing. I want to take my business to 7 figures. And I have decided that to be able to do that, I am going to have to start doing this stuff, doing YouTube and blogging and Pinterest and more on Facebook, and the things that I've kind of dabbled with in the past. I've actually done a lot of training on. I've just never really got into it properly. So my strategy for this year, for me to grow my business and for me to be able to show my clients and all of you how to take your business to the next level, my strategy is going to be to use YouTube, and my blog posts and Pinterest to try to increase my reach and to increase my impact and to increase my own income. And then hopefully I'll be able to teach everybody else that I'm in contact with, those people in my community, what I've done and how I've done it. So this is the first in a series of videos, which is basically going to document my YouTube journey, okay, right from setting up properly, because I've had a YouTube channel for a few years and I do use it for, hosting videos for my clients and for doing little sort of information pieces, but I've never really used it as a marketing strategy. So this is going to document my journey for me and for you, if it's helpful, and for my clients who I know it will be helpful for, right from starting out with no decent equipment. I don't have a proper camera. I've only got my iPhone and my webcam, which is what I'm going to start with. I don't have loads of proper lighting or anything like that. I do have some video editing software because I edit videos for my coaching programs. So I do have some video software which I'm kind of okay with, but I'm basically gonna just show you everything, show you how I get ideas for my first YouTube videos, how I look and see what's popular and what I think people might want to watch, how I actually shoot them, how I edit them. And I will show you, I'll be really transparent and show you, in a week's time, 2 weeks' time, have they got any views? Haven't they got any views? What am I going to do about it if they haven't got any views? And tell you the stuff that I've learned from other people and have tried myself and what's worked and hasn't worked. So I'm really excited about it because I've kind of wanted to do it for a long time. And other things have always got in the way. So this is it. So if you would like to follow me on my journey, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get a message when the next video is up. I'm really excited to have you along with me on this. Let's get going.